Boys and girls, question number 7. It says to solve on the whiteboard, show your work and check your answer. What is the quotient of 2 and 1/5? All right, so we need to write that expression. 2 divided by 1/5. All right, right away, I noticed I'm dividing with fractions, so I need to use KFC. I also noticed that my dividend is a whole number, so we could use the shortcut method for this problem. Let me go through both of them with you, though. All right, so let's rewrite this so that the whole number 2 is a fraction, 2 over 1, divided by 1/5. I'm going to follow my KFC. I'm going to keep my first fraction, flip my second fraction, so 1/5 becomes 5 over 1, that's my reciprocal, and change my division into multiplication. Next, I'm going to multiply my numerators. 2 times 5 is 10. Multiply my denominators. 1 times 1 is 1. And I'm going to simplify. 10 over 1 is equivalent to 10. Let's take a look at the shortcut method because we have a whole we have a whole number for our dividend. And when we have a whole number for our dividend, we can keep that whole number. When we go to flip the second fraction, the 1 over 5, it becomes 5 over 1, which is the same thing as the whole number 5. We're still going to change our division to multiplication. And so 2 times 5 is 10. And so looky there, we still have the value of 10 for our quotient. Check your work. If you need to make changes on your whiteboard, make changes before you move to question number 8.